Are you tired of the messy cable? Introducing Warehouse Box. Get rid of your tangled, messy cords. Say goodbye to cables. And you can charge your phone wirelessly. Designed with safety in mind, Warehouse Box can only be opened from behind, so your kids or pets can avoid electric shock. Featured with 3 cable cutouts, Warehouse Box accommodates wide and long high surge protectors. They're also touch-sensitive ambient light with simple control. Ideal for outlets in all rooms, Warehouse Box ensures a safe home and workplace. Stylish design allows it to fit in different environments. Warehouse Box, professional organizer for your digital life.